All right, been getting a lot of requests for more drop C tuning. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look into a Mixolydian mode in drop C. And so Mixolydian mode is basically a major mode with a flattened seventh tone. And so if these are your Ds, gives you that kind of rock edge by using that dominant seven, but you're still in a major key. Mixolydian mode is a major key. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. So we're gonna be running a 3-octave scale here in a Mixolydian mode. So we're gonna start with our 6th string, and remember, if I call a string, let's say I call this string an A string, we know that it's tuned down to G for our drop C tuning, but we're going to be speaking the language anyway. So just letting you know that. So here we go. String 6 will be open, and then fret 2, 4, and 5. Okay? So once again, open, 2, 4, 5. Our next string is going to be open, and frets number 2, 3, and 5. So here's what we did. 4 notes per string on that one, because remember, we're dropped down on the lower string. Okay, so there's 1 octave, so we're at a C now. So now we're gonna go up to our next octave. We're gonna take off from here this is our string 5, we already got that note. So we're going to string 4, and string 4 will be frets number 2, 4, 5, and 7, okay? And then on our next string, string 3, will be frets 4, 5, and 7. So that's 2 octaves. So here's what we got so far. 1st octave, 2nd octave, and then so we're going to go from here now to string 2, fret 5. We're going to go 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 4 notes on that string. Now we're going to go to our next string, and we're going to play frets 7 on 1st string, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so here's what we got. And then it's good to play, I'm sorry, I made a mistake there because I was going to tell you, it's good to play it both directions like this. And there it is, your 3-octave Mixolydian mode in the key of C. Have a great day.